So my Mercedes-Benz got into a tow truck going back home. The belt tensioner pulley disintegrated. Happens when you don't have the belt or your pulley is broken. So visit workshop because your alternator is not working, and then no power steering. Yep, no power steering, and then no AC, and then your temperature will actually rise, and then it will give you a warning there to stop because the temperature is really high. So we're gonna see what's inside. So belt is gone, and look at that. The plastic portion of the pulley is actually like gone, and I believe this is, yep, this is seized or frozen. Yep. Oh, the pulley is still working. So yep, so the pulley is still working. The plastic parts are all like disintegrated, and pretty much this one needs to be replaced too. So in order to remove the tensioner, replace it, you got an E14 Torx in here, and then there's another one over here, and the only way to access it is to use a number 17 socket and push this down so that you could access the bolt that is the E14 bolt that's hidden over here. It's so hidden over here. Luckily on E320s there's lots of space actually to work on without removing stuff. So yeah, I think these are some parts of the pulley. Luckily it didn't damage the hoses or anything. I don't see any leaks or broken parts. My fan is still okay. Yep. So yeah, we'll replace the pulley so that we'll be back into action. Yep, belt is missing too. I don't know where it went, but it's gone. So I have to go to the junkyard first, find some parts. There's lots of e-320 out there, and I'm gonna put it temporarily until the new part arrives so that I could move the car around. I wonder what is that thing. It's like there's like some seepage over here. 17 to loosen this tensioner, remove it, and then once you move it, you need to find the slot to put this bit somewhere over here. There's like a slot there where it will hold it in a position. Let me see if I could show it. Yeah, it should be down here. So I'm actually doing it by feel now. Once you push the wrench downwards, and then you put this bit to the hole in there, it will be in place. And if you look at that, this bolt, the E14 bolt, is now visible. Yep. So you could use an E14 socket for this. So yep, this is an E14 E-Torx, inverted Torx. lightens, and then this one is lightens too. So if you look at that, there's a hole in there. Yep, and then you can put a bit so that it will not move, and then you could access this e-torx bolts for removal or replacement. So yep, that's how it looks there. Now I'm going to install it. A good pulley, basically, if you do this, there should be resistance. This one is just okay, but it should not like rotate freely. There should be some resistance going on. So that's why this is a temporary fix, and this one is also needs to be replaced. Yep, it shouldn't make a noise like that. This is noisy. So the bearing for this is shot. Replacement belt too. So this is how it's routed. Yep. And then what I'm going to do is basically put the 17mm back and then release the tension and then pull this bit out. And we're back in business. Everything's in place. No noise. Nothing on the dash that says battery problem or alternator or charging problem. So we're gonna test drive this. So power steering is back, and temperature is rising up. My AC is also back. Yep, there's also cool air here. It's around 85 degrees inside. I mean outside actually. I'm facing the sun right now, so let's drive it. Yep. Looking good. So this Mercedes is 191,000, say almost 600. Yep, 191,600. So it's a lesson for me that this vehicle, which is around close to 20 years old, it really needs most of the parts replaced, especially the pulleys. The pulleys, the belt, that needs to be replaced. I think the tensioner pulley there is probably like more than 100,000 miles, and yeah, it cost me a lot to tow this back home. I think the area where we got stranded is like around more than 100 miles from my home. So I think I paid like around $500 to tow it. I'm thinking of even like staying in a nearby hotel there and have it like done tomorrow, the next day, where I could buy parts. But it seems that the parts that are available in part stores are those Duralast kind, you know, the China ones, and they're very pricey too. Yeah, so I think it's just worth just having it towed home, buy the parts, rather than trying to fix it on the road, because I really don't know like what else the issue is. But yeah, luckily the issue is only the tensioner. So the plastic part is bad. I don't know why the plastic part is bad though. It doesn't show any like indicator that it's bad. It's just like snapped off. Okay, so I'm actually like watching the temperature. So yep, the temperature is okay. Yep. And I don't see any major dashboard problems. I mean dashboard warnings. So I'm gonna return back home and say that this is a complete fix. Oh, I mean a temporary fix for that. Yeah, because I will be using this car again to go back to St. Louis. I don't know. Maybe my wife will not agree to it using this one. They don't want to probably like deal with that issue again where we get stranded. But yeah, I think it's probably okay though once those parts are replaced. Oh, one thing too is that yeah, better to have the spare parts too. Yeah, that's why I'm buying a new one and then consider the one that I temporarily put in right now as spare, and then also the belt, like your old one, the old one that I put in there. Yeah, just put it in the trunk as a reserve, and don't forget to like bring a set of Torx. Torx socket and an e-Torx socket. Actually, if you don't have an e-Torx, like the one that we use for the pulley, a number 10 socket will actually work. So it's like equivalent to E14, the number 10 hex socket. So you could use that one too. But yep, so far so good. My car is back. I could use it again.